First, we're going to stack 4 bales on edge so that they will be even with the bed rails. The next layer, we will cross the bales like so. The third layer, we are going to tie the stack together by putting 2 bales down the middle and 2 down the side. The next layer, cross the bales like the second layer, but go ahead and add the tie layer while you can reach it, and finish out both layers. As you can tell, the stack is all tied together at this point. The only difference in the next stack is you will only get 3 bales on the bottom due to the wheel wells in the truck bed. Finish out the stack like the previous one. Keep in mind to keep the bales centered as best as you can. And for the final stack, you will need the tailgate down, and you will stack exactly like stack number 1. After you finish out this stack, you will have a total of 53 bales on your truck. This method of stacking hay or straw should work on any 8-foot long truck bed. Alright, if you got a value out of this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more content like this. That's going to be it for today, and we'll see you next time.